to this live stream. All right, so OneLedger is a unified database of capital exchanges within the OneInc cooperative ecosystem, foundation of our currency of cooperation, a local exchange trading system for citizens of One. We have our Slack, and in our Slack, the intention of my work of the last, intermittently throughout the last week, is to enable citizens to exchange our dollars without me, without me logging every exchange. So here is our present ecosystem. And what I've done for the ledger specifically is using KudosBot, which the founder of which, Fahim, actually, I'm sure, Fahim, unsure of how to pronounce his name, has built, is a young programmer that has built an amazing and beautiful piece of technology by himself, which I greatly respect and appreciate, and built some features just for us, which is pretty fucking awesome. So basically, what KudosBot allows you to do is do a / command in Slack and say, give someone kudos for, and then you're able to see the leaderboard, and you'll see that we haven't been using it that much because people didn't understand why, and that's kind of why we were moving away from it. And then Fahim was like, oh, I can build this in. So what he built in was the ability to use Zapier, which I love. To Zapier, the way that I built this is a little intense, but basically, when a new kudos happens, and I can't open these because they have personal information, but when a new kudos happens, find the channel in Ethos. So, actually, I should change this. This is not Ethos. This is the ecosystem. So, when new kudos, find channel. The channel is associated with the project, so in service to, and so find channel, then find sender. So the sender is the person, the citizen that is giving. Find sender, so log sender. This is creating a new record to log the gift from the sender, and then find receiver, and then log the receiver. So it's a 2-column ledger in one column via Airtable. So it's 2-column ledger. Basically, if I give, the data that we used for this test was me giving Nick kudos for Spiritual Bro. So I'm going to say /kudos at Nick Barone. I think I can show this. Yeah. Making it smaller. All right. So kudos at Nick Barone for coding through influenza. All right, so the value that I'm going to associate with this, let's say spiritual capital. All right, so kudos to Nick for coding through influenza. All right, enter, and you'll see a box pop up here. Okay, so tag value. So value for us is a type of capital. So let's say spiritual capital, it's not really what it would be. It would probably be natural capital. It's kind of just like a reward. Okay, so now once I click this button, it's going to post into the Slack channel for Spiritual Bro, and because it's posting into Spiritual Bro, it should create 2 records in the ledger, one of me giving it and one of Nick receiving it. And it should be associated with the project, and it should add our CIDs. So let's see. Okay. That's 1. That's 2. Oh, that makes me so happy. capital type, spiritual capital, in service of, spiritual bro, context about spiritual bro, context about each citizen individually, a note for coding through influenza. I will fix whatever is happening here. Given exchange, received exchange. Fuck yeah. Ugh. I'm happy about that. That's like that's it. That was the first time that's worked. Um, I got nothing else. That's it. That's it. That's all she wrote. That's amazing. I'm so happy about that. Oh man. So um now these will each so the next step is quantifying the value of $R. So I think each contribution is going to be one, so like one exchange essentially, and then there'll be some kind of quantification of value, and then Nick, in addition to what I'm giving to Nick in Slack, I'm also giving Nick, well, not I, the cooperative is giving Nick $R for natural capital contributions, and the way that's going to work is that he will basically fill out a form to submit hours. Those hours will be approved, and when those hours are approved, they're going to convert to $R based on the amount of time, give or take. Fuck yeah. That's so awesome. All right, I'm going to end the stream to keep it short, but more to come. More to come.